Finally, it's all official. The official images of the Galaxy S25 Ultra, along with the Plus and base models, are finally here. Samsung has confirmed that its next Unpacked event is scheduled for January 22. Following the announcement, the German publication Wind Future leaked what appear to be official images of the Galaxy S25 series. While the Galaxy S25 has been subject to numerous leaks in the past, many of those renders were inconsistent or inaccurate. The newly surfaced renders, reportedly from Samsung itself, show the devices in silicone cases. As anticipated, the Galaxy S25 Ultra has moved away from its boxy design, but its corners are not as curved as the Galaxy S25 and S25 Plus. The Ultra model also features flat sides, which enhance the appearance of its slim bezels. This design change addresses the Galaxy S24 Ultra's rounded frame, which sometimes made the bezels seem thicker. Another significant design update confirmed by these images is the addition of black rings around the cameras, resembling the Galaxy Z Fold 6. The leaked images also reveal Samsung's new official wallpaper for the Galaxy S25 series. Additionally, they show an official Q2 case with a magnetic alignment ring. Contrary to earlier rumors, the phones will not have built-in Q2 charging support. Instead, this feature will be enabled through cases. Lastly, the icy blue color for the Galaxy S25 and S25 Plus appears to be lighter than previously suggested by earlier leaks. But that's not all. Samsung is already offering some exciting incentives for those who reserve one of the new Galaxy S25 devices. Among these is an incredible opportunity to win a $5,000 gift card that can be redeemed for any product available on Samsung's official online store. Here's the best part: reserving a Galaxy S25 costs absolutely nothing. All you need to do is register your email on Samsung's online store. By doing so, you'll lock in a $50 credit to use when pre-orders open after the event. Additionally, Samsung is providing customers with up to $900 in trade-in credits to make upgrading more affordable. And that's not all. There's an extra $300 instant credit available, which could bring the total savings up to an impressive $1,250. For many, this means upgrading to the latest Galaxy device might cost just a fraction of its original price. One of the most exciting offers this time around is the chance to win a $5,000 gift card. This is something Samsung hasn't done before, and it's creating a buzz among fans. The gift card can be used for anything on Samsung's online store, whether it's more gadgets, accessories, or even appliances. By simply reserving the Galaxy S25, you'll automatically secure the $50 credit, enhanced trade-in value, and additional discounts. Plus, you'll get a shot at the $5,000 giveaway. Once the phones are officially launched, you can decide whether or not to proceed with the purchase. This is a fantastic opportunity to not only save big on Samsung's upcoming flagship, but also potentially win a grand prize. If you've been thinking about upgrading your smartphone, now's the time to take advantage of these offers. Who knows, you might just be the lucky winner of that massive gift card. Reservation link is in the description box. Reserve now. Samsung has dropped the official unpacked teasers for the Galaxy S25 series. Let's check out the teasers first.
Hey, when is the Samsung Galaxy Unpacked? Can you put it on my calendar?
Samsung has confirmed that the next Galaxy Unpacked event will take place on 22 January 2025 in San Jose, California. At this event, the company will unveil the Galaxy S25 series. The lineup will include at least 3 devices: the Galaxy S25, Galaxy S25 Plus, and the Galaxy S25 Ultra. There's also talk of a 4th model, the Galaxy S25 Slim, which might launch a few months later. Samsung also teased the next evolution of Galaxy AI, calling it more natural and intuitive, promising to change how Galaxy users interact with the world. Now let's talk about some previous news. If you regularly watch my videos, you can skip this part. But if you're new here, feel free to watch till the end. The Galaxy S25 series is shaping up to revolutionize the smartphone world with AI innovations that even Apple might envy. Let's dive into the leaks, rumors, and the hidden secrets of Samsung's upcoming flagship. You've likely come across a barrage of leaks and rumors about the Galaxy S25 series, with even the One UI 7 Beta 3 making its way online ahead of its release. But what's truly exciting is the unprecedented AI innovations the Galaxy S25 promises, features that might leave Apple scrambling to catch up. Renowned Samsung leaker Ice Universe has hinted that the most impressive AI advancements in the Galaxy S25 lineup remain tightly under wraps. According to him, Samsung is safeguarding these game-changing features until the phone's official unveiling, scheduled for January 22, 2025. While Apple Intelligence is now official, gradually rolling out new features for iPhone users, it seems to have sparked a competitive fire at Samsung. The Galaxy S25 series is expected to take this rivalry to the next level. As Universe confidently stated, Samsung Galaxy S25 will tell Apple what leading AI is. This bold claim could reflect Samsung's determination to cement its dominance in AI technology, especially with the synergy of One UI 7 and Galaxy AI. It's clear the company aims to set a new benchmark, redefining what cutting-edge AI means in smartphones. Samsung's decision to keep these AI advancements under wraps indicates a strategic move to generate maximum buzz at the phone's official debut. This secrecy surrounding Galaxy artificial intelligence highlights the competitive stakes in the battle between Samsung and Apple for artificial intelligence supremacy. ICE Universe, known for his accurate Samsung insights, expressed surprise over the company's ability to maintain such a high level of confidentiality about these features. With the Galaxy S25 Unpacked event expected to be a grand affair, Samsung seems poised to steal the spotlight, not just with new hardware, but with groundbreaking AI capabilities as well. The Galaxy S25 series might just bring a life-saving feature that could make it a must-have for safety-conscious users. Let's dive into the details of this groundbreaking addition. A potentially life-saving sensor. Samsung's Galaxy S25 series is rumored to include a car crash detection sensor, a feature designed to assist users during accidents or crashes. While this functionality has been a part of Google Pixel phones, it has yet to make its way into other premium Android devices. Leaked information accessed by Android Authority confirms the presence of this sensor in the Galaxy S25 series. Although Samsung has included similar sensors in previous models, such as the Galaxy S24 Ultra, Galaxy Z Fold 5, and likely the upcoming Z Flip 6 and Z Fold 6, the feature has remained non-functional, awaiting software refinements. Samsung's car crash detection wake-up sensor is a virtual composite sensor that combines data from various physical sensors. Previous One UI updates, such as 5.11, contain traces of code labeled Mocha Mobile, related to starting and stopping the car crash sensor, hinting at its potential functionality. Will it finally be activated? There's optimism that Samsung could activate this feature with the One UI 7.1 update, offering users an added layer of safety. If implemented, the sensor would alert family members or emergency services in the event of an accident, potentially saving lives. While Google's Pixel phones already include car crash detection, Samsung's entry into this space could mark a significant leap for Android users. We'll have to wait for the official launch to confirm whether this feature becomes fully operational. That's it for today. What's your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comment section. As always, see you in the next video. Peace out.